your girl Namrata from My Closet Diary, of course, and in frame with me is Barkha Vyas, and today we are going to do some fun challenge. So Barkha, do you have any clue what are we going to do today?
So you asked me to get my makeup, so I'm assuming we are going to do a makeup, so some makeup challenge like do your makeup in 10 minutes or something like that.
Okay, so you're right, but there's a twist in it.
What twist?
Alright, so we are going to exchange our makeup products and see how I can use your products on my face and how quickly I can do my makeup, and same for you.
But we have different skin tones and this is good.
Let's see, it's gonna be fun. So guys, don't judge us that our makeups are not perfect. This is purely for fun. So Barkha, now it's time for you to hand over your makeup to me, and here's mine.
Okay.
Thanks a lot. Okay, so I did not notice that you are wearing something similar to this, and your pouch is this color and mine is pink and pink. Wow.
Okay, even I didn't notice. This is too much observation.
Okay, so let's open it. Alright, so I can see.
Okay, this is one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes, and the eyeshadows are very pigmented, I must tell you that.
So I might steal it.
Okay.
Alright, and then you have your blushers here, right? Highlighter and blushes.
Yeah.
Cool, so probably let me quickly put everything here and keep it, and then we will start our challenge. This challenge is for 10 minutes. Okay, so Barkha has given me a bunch of products. So basically my products are here as well, and then brushes are here, and
all my products are here.
All her products are there. So I have put timer for 10 minutes. Let's see if we can finish this task.
I'll be able to do it.
So ready? Get set?
Yes, yes.
Go. Okay, so I can see there are two foundation shades. I think probably you mix it, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
And I didn't give you any moisturizer, so I'll start with the moisturizer.
So there was a setting spray. I used it before because I usually do prep before as well. Though I haven't given it to you there.
It's okay.
I've given you a primer though, so you can check it. Yeah.
Where is the primer? Where is the primer? Okay, found the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Even I've given you a primer, although I see you're not using it, but okay.
So, yeah. Alright. Because I have challenge to do it in 10 minutes. Mirror is not here. Let me quickly see where.
This palette has mirror, that palette has mirror, my blush palette.
Fine. So, I have taken foundation directly.
Okay, I have taken foundation in the back of my. Oh god, this shade is not gonna match my skin.
Same here. I don't think so. I think this is lighter than my skin tone, but okay. So I'll be blending it with my finger only. No, not happening. So I'll have to use my brush.
I was just looking at that. We have like such different makeup styles. Yeah. Everybody has a different makeup style.
This is best part about makeup. तो कैसे भी कर दो सही होता है. I could actually not forget to figure out so many products also you have. Like I literally don't use so many products for my go-to look. I might take those many products for a wedding probably. Those are my everyday makeup look. Makeup products. Don't make me feel like I use a lot of them. It's okay. No, it's your style. Yeah.
So I will need a little more foundation. So the click sound you're getting is Sid Barat. He's testing Barkha's camera.
He's cleaning my camera. How sweet of him. Now I've decided, whenever I want to get my camera cleaned, I'll just come to Namrata's room. I'll just casually leave my dirty camera on the table so that Sid can see it. And?
Okay, I think I should have used your concealer because I have dark circle, but I will still use it because I'm not happy with this how it looks.
My color corrector also I gave you. You only chose not to use it.
So I am using it.
I have a lot of dark spots, so I use
same
color corrector
with me. Yeah. No, but I gave you full coverage foundation, so if I use that, I don't need these, so I don't actually use them for everyday look. My everyday look is like really simple.
Okay, moving on to the concealer. Oh god, your concealer shade is too light. How is that your concealer shade is too light for me and your foundation shade is a bit dark?
So I actually mix two shades of foundation. I actually forgot to give you the other shade.
It's okay.
Okay.
So I'll use your concealer to probably conceal the black spots that I have.
Sure.
How much time is left?
I don't know, I haven't even checked it. I don't have time to check it, okay? So she also uses Fit Me. I think our shades are a bit different. It's a little darker, right?
My shade is a bit darker.
Okay.
So actually, Barkha, with the full coverage foundation, I don't need this as well, you know. The concealer? Yeah, I don't need it. But I like the highlighting effect that the concealer gives. Yeah, exactly. So that is why I have, I picked a lighter shade because that becomes my highlighter, and then when I use contour, so it gives me perfect blend, dropping stuff. No problem. Yeah, of course, no problem, because it's my makeup brush that I dropped. How will be happy? No, nothing like that. Alright, so there was some eyeshadow palette, right? Okay. So now, my usual color is this, so I'm picking that color itself, what I usually use. Okay, now, there's an eyebrow pencil, and I never use eyebrow pencils, I always use my brush to do my eyebrows, so this is going to be fun. So, I actually use both, but this is the go-to one, so that is what I thought probably you will also get your go-to products only. I never knew that your go-to products are always too professional. Yeah, my go-to eyebrow products are this Makeup Revolution eyebrow palette. I didn't change my brush, I don't know what am I doing with this. Let me be creative here, let me use my brush to blend it out. I made a mess of my eyebrows, oh my god. So this is the first time I'm using this kind of eyeshadow palette itself, okay? I don't know what will be the real outcome of this. Which one are you using? I have Colourpop neutral shades. I don't have any colorful palette, to be honest. I need it. I have a Sephora one which has few good colors, but that's not pigmented properly, so I don't use it. Okay, so now that you're using this one, you come to know how pigmented it is and how nice it is. Yeah. Okay, so I'll quickly use the lipstick first. So this is shade Dream On. In fact, this is one of my go-to lipstick. Oh. Yeah. So she doesn't use a blush powder, which is strange for me. It's a blush stick. Again, something. I've given you bronzer here. Hey, use the bronzer later. So actually, I don't use blush when I gave it to you. I just use my bronzer. That's it. So my go-to look is like really simple. I'm still figuring out your products, And I have no eyeshadow products here. So when is this contour? If you can tell me, you do. This is your contour. Cool. So she has this. Okay, this is not showing my eyeshadow. And guys, the first time I'm doing my makeup in this small mirror, I always need a bigger mirror. So this was the first challenge I had. But I'm still doing it. Wow. Oh no, you're so talented. Yeah. Okay. So you've never done your makeup in like flights or trains or something? No, I go bareface. No, I prefer traveling bareface. Or even if I do makeup, it's very minimum makeup. Like just covering my spots and a lipstick. Okay, so I have done my makeup in flights or in cars or in trains. So I'm like used to using smaller mirrors, right? Alright. Yeah. I don't even reapply my lipsticks. So with me, this is the best part. Whatever lipstick I put on, it never goes from my lips. So I actually don't need to reapply my makeups. Okay. Now the bronzer shade is very dark for me. It's amazing, but it's very dark for my skin tone. So this, I have gifted it to her, guys. Yes. I'm glad that you're using it. And there is no highlight on this table because this girl doesn't use highlighters or something like that on your everyday makeup. Yeah, I don't. Next time you have to tell me that you are going to do a professional makeup thing, okay? This is your idea. So my idea was just simple 1 minute kind of. This is my simple makeup look. This is my simple makeup. Cool. So what is the difference between these two mascaras you're giving me? I will tell you to use this one. Okay, so what is the difference? Volume. That's why I know volume. Okay, then I'm using this. Yeah, because you have less lashes like that. I cannot go anywhere without my mascara. Same here. Oh God. How do I do this? I need both my hands to put my eyeliner, especially when I'm using a kohl pencil. Okay, let's do this. Why don't you use your phone itself? I don't know where my phone is. Very professional. I don't use my phone while working, okay? Very nice. Alright. Where is the mascara gone? Okay. up from here because I don't need so many. How am I sitting, Namrata? Just take a look at this. I can't even sit like that because I'm wearing a dress. Oops.
Oh, okay. So this is also done. So 10-minute over.
Oh, I put lipstick. I haven't put mascara.
So okay, let's check what all we have done and what all we haven't done, right? So basically, I haven't done
Oh
my
my
eyebrows.
God.
Apart from that, I'm done.
She's done it.
Yeah.
Oh my god, look at me. So I haven't put any mascara.
I haven't put on the blushes as well, but I'm actually okay with that as well.
Actually this
Yeah.
contour color looks very good on your skin.
Yeah. Let me check. How do I look? Let me check the
Mine
overall
is
look.
like half done makeup. I haven't done my mascara. I haven't put any lipstick on.
But without my eyebrows done, I feel so weird. Like,
It doesn't look weird.
I am literally not liking it. Apart from that, yes, okay. So let's talk about this part again. So what is the best part you're liking about your makeup right now?
I think it's the bronzer.
Oh wow. So this, my friend has gifted it to me and I've been using this itself. I don't use any other bronzer.
You should zoom in on my eyelid.
It is Makeup Studio professional one. This, you can see it's broken, but I still use
Very
that.
nice. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So now it's time for me to reveal that what is the best part about my makeup, which I like right now.
I think a mascara.
I like my mascara more.
I think
to be
this
very
looks very
honest.
nice. Your lashes look so big and.
So if you use that, have you tried it?
No.
So you haven't done it. So if you would have tried it, so you would have figured out the difference. You know, your lashes will look more voluminous. So in your makeup, I think I really like the bronzer because your contour, because you know, even if I haven't used my blusher, I can see the
Yeah, the
shape
color,
has
yeah.
come out properly. Yes, for sure I need something on my cheeks.
Okay, but the best part about my makeup look is my eyeliner. I think you should zoom on this. It looks ridiculous. It's not at all like matching.
You forgot, you had to say that worst part.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
said
this
best part.
I was being sarcastic. I was being sarcastic.
Alright. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so I also need to tell my worst part, right? I think it's my eyeshadow. I couldn't do it properly because that's not the palette. I have never used such palette, you know, with such pigmented, highly, you know, yellowish golden color thing. So mine is proper gold eyeshadow. So I always put it here so that, you know, I don't have to, you know, put alag se the highlighter and all. So that's why. So right now, yeah, I am also not enjoying my eye
No, but
makeup.
looking at stuff, I was lucky that Namrata did not give me any eyeshadow products. Still, I wasn't able to finish my makeup, and you clearly did a better job at it. Yay! Not cool. Can I put the mascara now?
Okay, so we will quickly finish whatever is pending and see how we look.
Okay. for
So
match.
whatever it is, it was really fun to see Barkha here, and I literally enjoyed this session with you. So guys, let me know if you enjoyed it. We can, you know, clap together and keep doing such stuffs more often.
Next time I am going to beat your ass.
Yo, let's see.
Bye.
Take care and don't forget to subscribe to both our channels.